Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Preset or price? Why? Like, you hope for the best, that's all we can do. Let's hope for the best, that's all we can do. Do you know Bangladesh? Yes, of course, Bangladesh. I even know how your flag looks like. It's like a Japanese flag, but with green background instead of white. We have a 7X on 9, 5X on 6, Linux on number 14. Those multis are coming up. Let's see whether we have the right amount of mustard on these spins or not, and I believe we do. Number 6, fireball with some extra cheese on it. Let's go. 5X multi from the wheel on this fireball. Love to see that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Hey, 1000X, the highest multi. Are you guys ready? If you're not, you better get ready real quick. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Bunch of red multis right here, folks. And we get one red multi. Let's go. What we having? 375X. My man. Let's go, 375. We take these all day, every day, and you already know how many times on a Sunday. Let's go. 375 going your way. We have 1,198 winners. Congratulations to all the guys. That was beautiful. AE, bad behavior. AE, 215,000 euros, bro. Top winner. You heard that right. 215K. Bromigo. Somebody's gonna have a party. Let's go. That's what a storm song.
Storm song. What is a storm song? Hey, you thunder. Da na 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 na. You can na 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 na. Da 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 da. Hey, hey, thunder. Na 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 na. Hey, you thunder. It's a 5X fireball. 5X on the 4.
What? It's a 5X.
Come on, be good, be good. There's a 500X right here, big one. This is the big. This is the 2,500, 2,500X. 2,500. Yes, it's better. It's better. It's bigger. 250. Beautiful. It rolled out from 100X. Because the one on the bottom was 100X, and I'm like, good job with 100X. 250. Red.
It's hard for me to smile because a lot of message, some players cursing me, some bit, frightened I would say. Okay guys, we have a lead between 12 and 13. Congrats everybody, and what's up with you? Don't know for how long you're playing here. Now how do you like this game? Okay, 6:30 for winners top by Anand, 2Q, Fabri, Jason, Kankan, and good to rest players. And Shantan, you're welcome. And Ragman, good luck, Roman. Hey, got you, Mr. Lido and Rahim. I don't know what language they're talking there. Spin is done, kill it, guys. What is your salary, Ashok? I can't discuss about my salary, man. Hamal, I don't know who it's with. Sorry. It's my second day, so I have no idea. I know only one person here. Come on, Masi, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, Riri, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, that's an 18 segment Wyra Kohli with the fireball 5X, guys. Sorry, man, I don't know anyone called Ritverse. It's my second day here. I know only one person, yeah. That person name is Mefumba. The red flies, initial 500, along with the 5X, guys. We get a 2,500. Let's go for it, guys. Would be nice if we get it. Once you go for red, go for red, go for red, go for red, go for 1,250 or 250, guys? I don't know. Okay, that's a 250, guys, not 1,250. Wait, congrats, everybody. It's not broken. It's not broken, really. As I said, all Gucci. 2,143 minutes to enjoy. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for joining. Lightning Storm, guys. Here we have all evenly 120 segments.
So free betting time. Thank you. Love you too. Love you too. Okay, guys, can you count with me how many leaves? It's really interesting now with me. Sorry, do excuse me, okay? But I'm just shocked. Okay, why I need to be shocked? Oh, I don't know. Я не знаю. 20X battery charger. I don't know, like, what's gonna be like the best time. I wanna hear Eye of the Tiger. Oh, you will hear now the Eye of the Tiger, man. 15 battery charger, 20X. Ah! Let's go! Okay, welcome. 40X is the max. Let's update it about 20X. Now max multiplier is 800X. You wanted to hear Eye of the Tiger? Let's go. 600X. 600X. What is also amazing? 600X on battery charge. Congratulations. So sweet. I love you. 1,600. Let's go. Masters now selling so free, but just play your road. Okay, let's take a look. And what these are: 20X on 1, 7X on 17, and 4X on number 9. Give you 500 free. Well, I hope so. Can we make to a 20X multi? Please, 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 please. We really need this. Yes, we can! Number 1 battery charger with a 20X multi! Let's go! Welcome everybody to the battery charger 20X and everything. So the max multiplier will be 800. Galaxy 300 at the start. We are getting a 300X multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Okay, we'll take that one. We'll take that one. Countless now the winners. 130,352 of you. 5,000 girls with a top winner betting time. Well, easy as that. Enjoy. Betting time's all yours. 300X multiplier. I mean, there was some lower ones, so I'm glad we...
Between 13 and 14. Another leaf, that's 5 in a row. 8 leaves in the last 10 rounds, guys. 487 winners, guys. Nibosham, Adam, Anulis, Gobsy, congratulations. Betting time's open. Let's continue with the next round, everyone. Good luck. Now, get a luck in the game, everyone. Let's play. Alright, 20X Fireball going to be passing by. What about 5X battery? Haven't had battery in a while, though, right? And hey, it's going to stay in a 5X battery, so this is going to be kind of epic on that segment 17, guys. Alright, follow me. Come on, game. 100X is on the grid. Shot at 500X. Come on, skip the 10 into the 500X for the biggest win of the night. That is what we want to see. Come on, baby. A nice skip right here. Yes, come on, green. Green it up for us, baby. Green it up. Ho, let's go. There it is. Woo! 500X. Surf up, baby. Let's go. 1,387 winners that time. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely amazing. Betting time's open. A couple of seconds for us to get ready for the next round. Everyone, here we go. Biggest win of the session. And there goes the next one right now. Good luck with the game.
Good luck with the matcha.
victory. Oh, thank you, Mia. 5X on a lightning storm, fireball, 2X battery charger. Too fast. Wait, no, not too fast, not too fast, baby! Lightning storm with a 5X multiplier and top round top slot number 15. Lightning storm. Welcome to the rooftop. Alright, guys. First of all, let's apply the 5X multiplier. So for now, the has won 1000X. Look at those multipliers. Decision time is open. So choose your lightning strike. First, second, or third. Also, you can leave it out to pick. Whatever you're choosing. The second one is I can see final seconds to make your decision. And kaboom! Let's start with the first one. 250, 150 total. 400X for the first lightning strike. Let's move on to the second one. 250 and 100 total is gonna be 350X for the second lightning strike. Let's move to the last one, third one. Rock you like a hurricane. Alright, 150, 50 total is gonna be 200X for the first one, 400X, second 350, third 200. Enjoy! Alright, 893 total winners. Congratulations to Master Lily Tucci. Top 3 winners, Master 43.7K. April, win, you're number 1 on this list. Nice! Hi, Jason! Hi, best list! Hi, Jason! 30X! Alright, congratulations to all the winners. Let's go back to the wheel. 1,396 winners. Congratulations to all you. Enjoy. We have Master ZSQ, top 3 winners. Master 1.5K. April, win, you're number 1 on this list. Betting time. Welcome, newcomers. You need to grab some coffee? No, not because it's almost 9 a.m. for you, but it's supposed to be like early mornings. Oh. Fireball with a 3X? Oh, I don't remember. It was 90X? 90, I think. Alright, we have 5X on the lightning store number 11. Second lightning storm with a 5X in the session. What? Let's go. Number 11 lightning storm with a 5X. Woohoo! Welcome! Alright. Let's apply the 5X multiplier. And now the highest one, 2000X. Alright, guys, decision time has just started. Choose your lightning strike. First, second, third. Also, you can leave it out to pick. So, first, second, third, ladies and gentlemen. Final seconds to make your decision. And let's begin. What about the first one? Oh, let's apply the global. 2X global. Now the highest one, 4000X. Look at the cyber. Oh, my. 500X for the first one. Alright, let's move on to the second lightning strike. 150, 50, 200X for the second lightning strike. Alright, guys, last one, third lightning strike. 250. So, alright, for the first one, 500, second, 200, and third, 250X. Enjoy! See you at the wheel! Let's... Alright, welcome back. You look like 18. Oh, honey. That's very sweet of you. Yeah, I'm definitely not 18. So, honeys, let the games begin. And lovelies, we are back in the house. All right, first things first, the multiplying everything 7 times, baby. But still, we do have a chance to get on top of this 2, 3, and 5x as well. Oh, yes. Choose your lightning. First lightning, second or third one. But now, let's go for the first lightning strike. All right, darlings. 70 and 140. 210 on the first lightning strike. Moving on for the second lightning strike. 105 and 210. We are getting 350 next for the second lightning. Now, oh baby, with a 2 times multiplying this. Oh yes, honey. Bring it on. Oh yes. 140 and 420, giving us third lightning strike of 560. 210, 350, 560. Oh, honeys, we are back, darlings. Oh, yes, you got this beauty. You got those fantastic multipliers. You got all of the sprinkles on top of this beauty, honeys. Congratulations with that.
A leap between 2 and 3 with a payout of 1 to 1. Congratulations to the winners of the round. We have 293 of you, 380 euros for the top winner, betting 10 all yours. Welcome newcomers. This is a ladies' storm. Lovely to see you here. Remember about exchange or storm chase for bet times. If you want to place your bets on bonus games in the multi or lightning storm itself. I know, guys, I know. Bets are closed. Thank you so much. And good luck to you. We got this, Victoria. Right. We need the right attitude, guys. We can do it. We got this. You believe in me, I believe in you, right? We have 3x and 14, 4, 2x and 20, 7x and 19. I love your name. Make me rich. Can we get 18, which is a lightning storm? Guys, somebody asked for it and we got it. Number 18, lightning storm. Even number. Meet you there. Welcome everybody back to the lightning storm. Alright. Decision time. 1, 2, or 3. Whichever you feel like will bring you the highest multiplier. If you don't want to decide for yourself, feel free to go with an out-of-pick option. Just simply don't press me anything. Alright, last seconds, 44% for the second one. We'll see how that will go. Decision time is over. All eyes on number 1, we're getting a multi here. And that will be a 2x on top of everything, so doubling all of our multipliers. Double the monies, double the fun, double the multis. Give it something good. And lightning strikes for 800x multi for the first one. Well done. Special applause. Let's go to the second one now. We can still try to, okay, another multi here. We can try to catch up. 2x on top of everything. Can we get another 800 multiplier? Is that too much to ask for? Come on, we can do it. Rock you like a hurricane. 40 and 30, a nice 70x multiplier for the second one. The hurricane. Now we're moving on to the third option. What are we getting here? Lightning will strike. For 20 and 15, grand total of 35x multiplier. Thank you for joining me here at Lightning Storm. I shall meet you back at the wheel.
Max multi 100x multiplied by 5, which makes it 500. Very, very cool indeed. And yeah, let's crank it. Bam, there we go. Okay, first one's red one. Next is green. Well, that was a fast battery charger. Got the quick 100x. Congratulations to all the winners. Back to the wheel we go. 1.6 6K winners in total. 2 top winner with 4.7K cash. Thanks for playing. Let's get it going again. Bets, please. Winner like that. You. Okay, there we go. Wow, winner. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it, winner. We got so many leaves today. Woo! Almi saying, well, I wish you great success in that. Hope so, Almi, hope so. Yeah, thank you, much appreciated. Okay. What do we get this time? Result of a spin. Wow, segment 7. Lightning Storm with a 5X top slot. Very, very cool. Lightning Storm. Very, very cool. Yo, what up, everybody? Good to have you here at the Lightning Storm on the roof and stuff. 5X top slot multiply getting applied. So on the top, there's 2000X, guys. So yeah, pick your strike 1, 2, or 3. Wish you the bestest, obviously. And we'll see how it's gonna go. Right? Right. Yeah. So good luck. First strike. Let's get it. Give me 2K. Okay, that is 175 for the first one. Fine. So, second one then. Second one then. 2K? Question mark? I mean, not 2K, but still cool. So that is 625 for the second one, everybody. All right, all the hopes in the third one, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, 100 on the third one. So second one was the pick, guys.
Something X. So what do you mean the highest 30? So yeah, guys, have you ever tried a matcha before? 10X on a hot one number 6. My favorite is iced matcha latte with the oat milk. It actually tastes like to me. Hotspot number 6 with a 10X multiplier. Hotspot, baby. Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music? Bow. Bow, bow, bow. Let's apply the 10X multiplier. 1000X, the highest one. Wait. Nice. 1000X. Choose your spot, also you can live in an ounce of pick. Alright, let's reveal from lowest to highest. So lowest one was 30X. Woo! So where's gonna be the 1000? Show me 1000X. Alright, double read. So we have some more hundreds, 140. 200. Alright, congratulations, all the winners. Special compliments to those who find the highest one. 774 to the winners. Master number 1 with 60K euro win. Wow, man, enjoy. Vaccine time. That's close. Good luck. 1000X, baby, on a hotspot. 1000.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.